Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Face, and today I'm going to bring you a very short intro of what my channel is all about. As some of you may know, I have been on somewhat of a hiatus, which has limited my ability to create videos. So I just want to share with you what my channel is all about. So continue to enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, I say welcome and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you like any of what you see, hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you will be in the know of any and all upcoming uploads. Thank you all so much for your continuous love and support. Stay tuned and enjoy. Thank you. As I share with you my love of creating tablescapes, this is one of my most elegant and sophisticated tablescapes, as you will find faux fur, crystals, pearls, florals, and chinoiserie. One of my most elegant, but there are many, many more just the same. So there is a large collection of tablescapes on this channel, along with other home decor. Next up, you will see some of the beautiful floral arrangements that have been created here by me on this channel. So continue to enjoy. So here in my DIY segment, you will see a few of my DIYs, a vase that I had created out of crushed glass. And then this dish here from the Dollar Tree, I added this beautiful flower and the light and made it into something magical. So this beauty here, $1 from the Dollar Tree for the dish, and now it's a magical piece. Also, as you spend time over here with me, you may find me doing some cooking. So as part of my home decor section here, this vase that you see, I loved it so much until I purchased it twice. I didn't realize I'd already had one, but nevertheless, it still works. I'll just use one here and another one in a different place. But about the home decor and this channel here, it's about bringing things together and coming up with a beautiful outcome, whether it's decorating the table, changing out your coffee table, or creating a space in your kitchen or dining area, loving creating tablescapes, whatever it is that I can put together and make it look so fabulous and so beautiful, whether it's in the house or outside. I just love decorating and making things look beautiful. So this is what you will find here at this channel, all about making things beautiful. So as part of my home decor, I love using throw pillows. I find that adding throw pillows is one of the easiest ways to breathe new life into any room of your home. Whether it's your couch, your love seat, your dining table, it's just an easy addition to any space. Does it make it easy? No, because there's millions of throw pillows and sometimes hard to choose. I also have a love for greenery around the home. Not only is it pleasing aesthetically to the eye, but it has a tendency to assist with lowering your heart rate, especially when you see beautiful plants around the home. It's a de-stressor, and it also helps to clean the air. So these are some of the things that you will find here on this channel. Be blessed and take care.